Okay, go. Bro.
Here. Shoot.
Okay.
Is this low pro or high pro?
Low pro.
That's low pro?
High pro.
That's high pro.
High crow.
Okay, low pro. That's low pro?
Yes.
No? Okay, Army, come show me low pro. Okay, see, good. That's high pro.
High crow. Ay.
Okay, stop.
Pasad.
Is that low pro?
High crow.
No.
Still high.
That's low pro?
Who's next?
Okay.
Navy.
Yan.
Okay, shoot. Okay, so not to say that your low pro is right or wrong. It's just the US we do a little different for low pro. Okay, of course the low pro. Sorry, Calvin. When do we use the low pro?
With 1 feet of push. Higher.
Ay. Tama.
Kalahib, alis ka rin mataas.
Oo.
Good.
That's low.
Cover silver.
So you do the low pro when enemy fire is heavy. When you have to move to your next location and we have a lot of enemy fire. You do the low pro to minimize your exposure. Now, so how do I look where I'm going? Okay? Sige?
Yes, sir.
You can do like this or like this.
High crow.
So now that's similar to you guys, so right? You're both your high pro and low pro.
Always point right.
Yeah. So for this purpose, when we do the high pro, everybody's weapon will face forward, not like this, okay? For our training, so. Good?
Ay, sir.
So, wala forward. Kailangan ng up, down, right away. Tapos, parang di alam kung saan kayo po. Tataas. Okay.
Amo, excuse me, I know.
Down. Left. So, para i-ano nyo yung kalaban. Di alam kung saan kayo. Yeah.
Okay. Amo, he sees me. I know. Right. Oh shit, I need to go to cover. Come on. Good?
Yes, sir. Shift right.
Set na kayo? Lakas na po.
Stop. Relax. Okay, so the question is, this is the first time he hears set, right? But in some of the commands, it's already natural that you move,
Yes.
right? But that is perfectly correct, and that is correct. But that's if you're working with a team for a long time. But if you're starting from the beginning and it's new people in your team, maybe you need to elaborate set for them to say, okay, now it's my turn to move. But if you guys work together for a long time, no need to say that. It just takes more time. Does that make sense? What are your other questions?
How about when moving, for example, there's already a command of set, and then the other team will say move in, and then move.
That's only for training.
Okay.
But in real world, all of that, if you know your teammates and you trust your teammates, that's just more time wasted.
Okay.
That you should already be proficient as a team.
Okay.
Question? Question on this side. Do you need me to elaborate on anything else?
The camera.
Chinese.
Yan kayo sa lang magasin sa gera kung ano man.
Hindi, sa training. Sa training.
Pero gera dapat ito. Diba?
Hindi nga pinapag-experience sa amin, Nelson. Kaya nga, in times war, ang
Mga kayo. Yan nangyari sa Marawi. Wala, puro pa rin pa rin. Eh, kung papasok sa building, wala kang kalaban. Hindi mo alam.
hindi
Ganun
nila,
ka lang.
hindi nila pa napapil kasi sa amin yung real McCoy.
So what they are performing now is a squad column based on the United States Army, technique. Squad column.
That is called, we call it
Squad column.
You might call it something else. That's totally fine. Okay? What we're going to do here is move as a squad and then do a squad attack. Okay? So, squad leader. Squad leader is going to tell everyone, move forward. Cut that from here. You get your signal. Look back. Make sure everybody sees. Pump.
200 meters!
Stand your knees. It's okay. Stand your knees. Okay, let me demonstrate. Okay, squad leader. Hey, get contact up front.
200 meters!
200 meters.
4 tangos!
Squad leader here.
With grenade launcher!
He cannot see.
AK-47!
Right? Let's say he cannot see. So he's gonna get up. There you go, they talk.
4 tangos. Isang grenade launcher. Isang AK.
Okay, so squad leader assessed the situation. And now he determines, okay, my squad, we can attack. My squad is able to handle the situation that we're going to attack. So he comes back. Follow me. Follow me. We're going to the flank to the right side. Hold on. We're going to flank to the left. Okay? Bravo team, follow me. Follow me. Left side. Same time, these guys. Pam.
Chinese man yung baril.
Motor naman nasa.
This is the enemy.
Oink.
Kay, ikaw isa. Ikaw mo ta, dagang yung kalaban.
Gahiyasa.
What did Bravo team do? They went to the south position, right?
Yes.
So now the Bravo team, the south position, they go here. These guys are support by fire. Bravo team, if they're in position, they call on the radio, I'm set. If there's no radio, they blow a whistle, make it loud. If there's no whistle, they throw smoke. Okay, go ahead, whistle again. That means they're set. What these guys are gonna do Continue firing. Bam, 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 bam. That's their cue. That's their cue to shift fire. Shift right. Shift your fire. Shift right. So they're shooting the enemy. When Bravo team is set and ready to move, they shift their fire right a little bit.
Okay.
The reason for this is so that they don't shoot Bravo team when they assault. But they continue to fire so the enemy keep their head down. Okay? Bravo team now assault. Quick up. Together. Shift right. Sarge, natumba na ko sila, kapoy na kayo.
Murag si Rizal, bagay di ba?
Continue.
Casualty, isa.
Okay, stop there. Here, Bravo team, you don't bunch up. You make sure you stay in your sector. Okay? So when you assault through, what's the first thing you do after? Security is always first. No, small leader. You call security, full security. 360 security.
Okay. Circle. 360 paikot lang, Sarge. Dito.
Around the objective.
Dito ka lang, Sarge.
Okay, look, 360, right? Security, circle.
Search team, search atin yan.
That's okay.
Team Sarge, malay!
First team, search na. First team, Alpha. Alpha na, Alpha.
Mas kabalo na sumliling.
Lagi mas kabalo pa. Ayan.
Sabi mo sa inyo,
Okay, listen. Go ahead. At the same time, somebody needs to be checking equipment, casualty. Here. Next is you check aid and litter. Aid and litter means check if anybody's wounded. Any casualties. Treat the enemy or treat your own people. We did the search. We did the aid and litter. You check for casualty. Next is consolidate. So, you see the squad leader has a lot of things to do. There's a lot of things to do here, but that's why we rely on Alpha team leader and we rely on Bravo team leader to do their job within their team and then report to the squad leader. The squad leader cannot do everything. It's going to be very difficult. So all he's going to say is Alpha team. Any casualty? Consolidated everything already. Bravo team, are you good? Yes, sir. Supposed to be just automatically checked. Good?
ginawa namin, pasukat kami dun sa
What's that?
Army nag-training. Sila ang nag-train tapos namin. So, ano yung ongoing ang training sa Army. Then, the Navy is tapos na rin. Papunta na dito. Then, the Air Force is still ongoing. Going pa nilang training exercise. Then, the Marines are here. Discussing na lang. So, tapos na. Kami ang unang natapos mag-perform. So, dinidiscuss pa rin yung ano.
Go. Kasi hindi tayo malapit yan eh. Nakatayo. Bravo team!
So, we are discussing no, para at least ma-improve man lang yung ano, performance namin. So, as for now, napansin ko
At
is,
saka sa mga team leader, si Sarge, at saka si Sir yung mga ganun sa akin. Sarge, huwag niyong kalimutan, Bravo, pag may magsigaw na dito sa Alpha na last man, ibig sabihin, sumubra na kayo, lumagpas kayo sa amin. Search team, search na! Dalawa kayo. Ibigay mo yung baril mo muna sa kanya.
Sakyan mo.
Layo ka!
Leo!
Yan, lumayo ka. Kung saan siya magbigay, doon ka bibira. Okay. Ayun na, ay nagliyok, kay wounded na. Lihok. Na, unang baril. Ana, balik. Balik na, Sarge. Yan. Balik na, kuha na. Report ka, Sarge.
Okay, ito na bala. Okay.
Okay. Prepare to withdraw 6 o'clock. Ang sabi doon, prepare to withdraw, di ba? Yes. Unahin muna yung wounded natin. Alis doon, papunta doon sa...
Nasa Bravo ang wounded, nasa Bravo.
Ina! Yan, doon, dumana kayo doon. Okay, withdraw!
verify, withdraw din. Sabi,
Ba't ikaw kayo nang withdraw din?
Sherry, dyan ka lang. Itap ka pa.
Dito ka
Ikot kayo ha, ikot!
Sunod ka sa kanya.
Itap mo yun itap mo si Grande. Then move, Grande, itap mo rin sa Birana. Itap mo si Birana. Oh, Birana, itap mo yun. Dagan dyan. Oh, Birana, dagan na. Oh, itap mo yun, sir. Tap. Itap mo muna yan, tap. Yan, oh, okay.
Ulit. Dito kayo 316 eh. Alam mag-sit na.
Patrolling.
Enemy spotted!
Enemy spotted, 12 o'clock. Bravo team! Move! Move!
Move.
Gulong. Gamitin nyo ng gulong nyo. Yan, gulong. Gulong! Yan. Okay. Enough.
Enough.
Still enough. Okay, forward. Alignment. Alignment. Control alignment.
One line.
Last man. Ceasefire. Last man. Anyway.
Sige, sigaw. Last man. Sandali, wala pa. Dapat nagsabi ng hallway. Wala pa. Wala pa sila nakalampas. Wala pa sila nakalagpas.
Okay.
Last man, hallway. Move. Circle. 360.
Move dito.
Dito, Sherry, dyan. Dapat dyan lang. Dito lang, dapat nakalingin. Ikot. Sige, Sarge. Dyan ka, Sarge.
yung mga bata mo, sir. Check mo kung okay lahat ng trupa mo. Apat lang yung trupa mo, sir, ha? Apat lang. Okay, pag sigaw ko na, prepare to withdraw. Everybody, tikane. Oh, gawin natin yung pinag-aralan natin.
Sir, doon ka na, sir.
Doon ka na, sir. Pinakadulo, sir.
Sigaw na prepare to withdraw 6 o'clock.
Okay, naka-prepare to withdraw na tayo.
Withdraw din kayo ha, verify.
Withdraw!
Sergeant, Sarge, you move here.
O, dito.
Ating kaban.
Move! Ganyan!
Yan. Ikot.
Ikot na!
Takes up too much time.
Ah,
I think
okay.
it does,
So.
right? Because you already got him, the platoon leader, counting.
What's next, sir?
Next is you either you take all the closest team, right? Who was the closest team? So the PL was there, Bravo team.
Yes, sir.
So maybe all Bravo team can. The next all Alpha team. You already got accountability. They should know to always go to the platoon leader. You count in at the platoon leader. Yeah, that way, right? Or that's one way to do it. Or you start the other way. Instead of you tap him, tap the John. Okay, go. Now you tap him. Tap me. That's what you were doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, maybe, let's go. And then you take the next guy. Let's try again. Right? So I'm going. Let's go. We're moving out. You go. You get him. We're moving out. Then you get the next guy to the
okay.
file.
Mm-mm-mm.
Here. If it's feasible. But for me, what I would do, my platoon leader is already there. He's counting the guys. So I'm going to send the nearest team first. I send my medic, my wounded first. My wounded go first. And then I send my team that's next to nearby.
Check.
Which will be, in that case, Bravo team. Right? And then Alpha team.
Pili ko.
If that makes sense.
Picture.
There's a lot of ways to do things. If that's your technique to make sure that you touch everybody and they touch the next guy, that's okay. But for me, because I already got someone counting, I'll do that. Alpha team go. The rope identifies the team leader. Alpha team leader, Bravo team leader, squad leader. These guys automatic. They get down. Everybody automatic get down. Automatic. These guys go up. Because contact's front, right? So automatic. Boom, get a line. Squad leader, you call your 3Ds. 3Ds is what we call distance, direction, and description. Enemy, troop in the open, 200 meters. Distance, direction, and description, right? Enemy, 200 meters, troops in the open. Squad leader is going to come up. He's going to go to the Alpha team leader and determine, okay, I see the enemy. Can I assault? Can I flank? Or should I break contact? That's why he comes here, so he can make that determination. The determination now is, I want to flank. So now he's looking, do I flank left or do I flank right? In this case, I'm not going to flank right because it's open field. I'm going to flank left so I can use the aircon as my cover. Okay? So he tells them, I'm going to take Bravo team and I'm going to assault and flank to the left. Comes back. Bravo team, follow me. We're going to flank to the left. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Why do you think squad leader is here? He's here so he has control of both sides. His Bravo team and his Alpha team, he's closest. If he's over there, he's going to lose control of that team. Even though it's going to be like 300 meters, it's still he's closer. So we get here. Who has the whistle? Whistle. Loud whistle, right? So that's the indication that Bravo team is ready to assault through. That's their indication. shift and lift. Right now they're bam, 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 bam. They hear the whistle, they lift and shift. The reason for that is the ammunition can still keep the enemy sent down. Squad leader says, let's go, assault through. Okay, come back a little bit. Very important. Squad leader, they're coming up slow and smooth when they stay in line. Last man, there should be another indicator for whistle. Whistle or pop smoke for what? I heard it. Ceasefire. Right? Because if we don't give these guys an indication to cease fire, they're going to shoot us. Okay? Whistle again. Longer. Long. There you go.
Taas.
There you go. On the long whistle means to cease fire. That could be our own internal tactic. On the long whistle means cease fire. Go one more time. Everybody there, they're gonna echo cease fire, cease fire, cease fire. So as I'm coming up, last man, last man, last man. That guy should be saying last man, last man. The purpose of that is so that the squad leader can determine, okay, we're aligned. LOA, we're aligned, right? Because if they don't say last man, these guys here, they might continue to keep going. First thing we do, oh no, not yet. We gotta assault through. So LOA, LOA. Alpha team leader says, Alpha team, pick up, assault through. So, this guy, Alpha team leader, controls the movement. If he's veering off, he's like, hey, you, scoot in this way. And then shake in, together, push, last man, last man, last man. Yeah. First thing we do now. Security. Squad leader, ready be. Team leader, squad leader, they should know full security, 360. Automatic is up. What's next? EPW search. Let me see. I seen the Army and the Marines do it. The proper way to check for enemy, if they're facing down, some of you guys were doing it. You got to turn them over first. Make sure that there's no grenades. Okay. Who wants to do a demonstration? Communication is important. For security, which way are you going to roll? Zuma, which way are you going to turn? You going to turn that way? Okay. Okay, do it. Clear. Make sure that you stand up to the side just because in the event there's a grenade, you're going to be out of the fragmentation range, okay? You come over and you look to the side. Turn that way. Communication is important. Which way are you going to roll? Left. This way? Right. Left. Go to the right. Which way? Right. Okay. So you got to adjust. Jump. Clear. Learn. You guys been in the air-conditioned room. I find this to be more fun, and I hope you guys do too.
Yes, sir.
I echoed this to some of the groups out there, and I'll echo it to the whole group now that what's really key and what's really important, and a lot of what you guys are doing out here is what? Communication. Not just communication, but communication with conviction. If you're calling out a command, if you're doing something, you got to do it with confidence. Everybody around you's got to know that you're confident in telling them what to do. Because in a situation, in a real world situation, that could be someone's life, right? So whoever's in the leadership positions that take turns switching out, be confident in those commands that you call, right? Because that's very important. You don't want to be calling command that you're not sure of. Because if you're not sure of it, your team's not sure of it. And everything you do in this exercise should be deliberate, and with conviction. How many of us here are reservists? Taas ang kamay. All right, pretty much everybody. So I heard this earlier in the Army group, and I wanted to echo it with everybody. It's not often that we get to do this, right? It's not often that we get to come out here and exercise battle drills and exercise some of the things that are inherent to being a soldier or being in the armed forces. So, because we don't get to come out here often, I implore you, or I encourage you. I see some of you have notebooks. If you think that 1 month from now you might not remember it, or if you don't practice this enough, you could forget it, take some notes down. What's required? What's a DD? What's the 3 Ds? What does the squad leader need? What are some of the commands? What are some of the formations? Take notes of those things so that, let's say in a month, somebody else from the U.S. Army comes out here or from the U.S. military to do a training with you. Some of this is stuff you guys already know. And if you have it in your notes, it's something that you can refer back to. Because the only way we're going to get perfect at this is with practice. But if we don't get to practice it often enough, it's going to be hard. But the least that we can do is have something to refer back to. See, staggered? So that if contact here, this guy, he can shoot. Boom. If contact here, he cannot shoot. He's going to shoot him. Boom. He's going to shoot him. Sure. No problem.
Okay. Caliber. Ano?
Caliber? High caliber, like high Mars, or? Okay, caliber, this is what's your headquarters? What's the
Patrol
headquarters?
base.
Huh?
Patrol base.
No.
Spartan base.
This is Camp Aguinaldo. This is headquarters. Go ahead and start your mission.
Go, go, go. Go,
1,
One.
2,
Wag na.
3, 4. Staggered. 5.
6, 7, 8. Staggered. Dili, ano? Yeah, window.
Hey, you guys are.
Stop. Surge. Stop. Move. Yan, ganyan. So, they are, as you can see, ang Alpha team facing sa left, ang Bravo team facing sa right. So, so morning ang ginatawag patrolling. Then, ang rear man, Sarge, asa ka nag-assign, Sarge? Dito siya sa likod. Likod siya, naka-front, naka-point. So, ako, diri ko sa left. Kung nagdagan mo tong radio man, then there's a call from headquarters, kaya niduol siya dito sa mga team leader, and our call signs is Caliber. So this is our team, the last man. So ang nangyari kasi, may mga plans na pala sila doon, hindi umabot sa amin ang message. So kailangan i-pass the word para everybody knows what's going on. Sinitabo dito. So like that, pass the word. Yan. Okay, see? Pass the word. So this is it, our order. Lahat kami sa seawall. So yan. Again, the regiment. Labas, baril na sa labas. Sa dagat. We are now patrolling in an open field. So, look at ang distance na mo. This is the Alpha team. Kami. That is the Bravo team. Led by Sarge Grande. So, ayan. After naka-receive ng message si squad leader, a team leader. So, yung i-report dito sa squad leader para i-disseminate ang message. Ayan.
Okay, Bira! Let's run! Bira na!
Bira! Yeah. Us.
Supposed to be...
Last man!
You guys supposed to them first, then you guys next.
Ah,
All the way through. Okay.
so baliktad. Naging baliktad.
Last man! Iloy yung sigaw dyan! Iloy!
Search team.
Here, there's nothing wrong with that either, right? But for me, I just come there to the road, I look down the road, it's clear, go ahead, and then I'll keep pulling security. And then I'll wait till my guys go. But in your case, you guys saw clear, and then you went some more, and then you clear again. That's okay, right? Because maybe there's a tank at the other side, and they come out and shoot. Okay, so we got back online. As we came down, I said there's IED, and then IED at the intersection. I said there's IED on the road. You guys did what I would have done. I gave the army guys the same scenario, but instead the army guys used the tree lines. The tree line's okay, but there was IEDs on the road. If the IED blow up, it's gonna take that tree line with it. So you guys did a good decision to come here. So the wedge is okay. You know what I would have used? Because enemy is nearby, I would have made sure everybody, one wedge here, you bound. 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 The reason I would do that is because they already gave intelligence that enemy is nearby. So one team is pulling security while the other team is moving. This team set, pull security, and then this team move. Right? The squad column's okay, but it's mainly used in open field when enemy is not imminent. Right? Where enemy is unlikely. That's when you use the squad column. But when enemy is likely, you bound. That was still good. What I want to ask with here is, that's already 3 times I saw the Marines, they make Alpha Team Assault. Why do you guys make Alpha Team Assault instead of Bravo Team? To feel comfortable and safe. Some of them might have weapons. They might be looking all over like this, lost. But you go to them and says, hey, low ready, come on. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna see maybe the doctor, the Kevlar is like this. Weapons all over the place. You go to the doctor, he says, ma'am, fix, come on, let's go, we're in combat, let's do this. Okay? You guys gotta look sharp tomorrow and
Yes, sir.
always have security. Always look like you know what you're doing. That's how they're gonna trust you guys. Okay.
Tingnan mo. Hindi, no?
Ah, clear na.
Kaya yan. Sige.
Pag-dire tap, tanaw do dire.
Sige. Tingnan ko muna.
Dire, dira lang ka. Tanaw do dire.
Hindi makita ang infam.
Sa dire kung tama ka.
Ganun pa rin.